it was quite clear when we met that that was my position. When we got our agenda last month, the councillors read their agenda before the meeting, which includes the report from the planner. It includes every objection that was received by the city, and it includes the application support. The applicant is allowed to also motivate why he has answered the questions. So we have read all of that by the time we come into a meeting. In this particular meeting, we had 2 interviews. The one was for the objectors and the one was for the applicant. We listened to those as well. There have been all sorts of accusations made about the involvement of councillors in that meeting. Those councillors have read the documents that they are required to read, they have listened to the interviews, and they make the decision based on the information they have. And that is what we did. I am thrilled that the community in Wynberg that does not have a residents' association appears to be now making its way towards that. The request for me to talk at the meeting tomorrow, I will not be doing that. And that is because it is not a representative meeting where I am given the opportunity to talk. I have been given 5 minutes to explain what I've been doing in almost 3 years. The other 2 political parties who are totally and utterly absent in Wynberg have got the same amount of time to talk. It is completely and utterly not politically correct from my point of view, because you're not giving me the opportunity to actually engage with you. So that's what I have to say.
Thank you very much to everybody coming. Safe journey home, and we'll see each other.